You hear nearly every day how revolutionary ChatGPT is and how there is money to be made using it. So, let us jump right into the video and discuss 20 ways you can make money using ChatGPT. 1. Freelance writing. Get paid to write articles, blog posts, emails, and other content for websites, magazines, and other publications. 2. Chat moderation. Monitor and moderate online chat conversations to ensure conversations remain civil and appropriate. 3. Technical support. Assist customers with technical queries and troubleshooting. 4. Virtual assistant. Help clients with their administrative tasks such as scheduling appointments, managing emails, and more. 5. Subscription service. Monitor customer conversations to identify areas for improvement. Use this feedback to optimize and make the subscription process even better for customers. 6. Language translation. Translate conversations from one language to another. 7. Product testing. Test products and provide feedback to companies through chat. 8. Market research. Participate in focus groups and surveys to provide feedback on products and services. 9. Customer service. Respond to customer queries, complaints, and feedback in a timely manner. 10. Social media management. Manage a company's social media accounts, respond to comments, create content, and more. 11. Online survey completion. Complete online surveys and get paid for it. 12. Online freelancing. Offer freelance services such as web design, graphic design, and more. 14. Chatbot development. Develop and program chatbots to help automate customer service tasks. 15. Online consultancy. Provide online consultancy services to customers. 16. Virtual event hosting. Host online events such as webinars, workshops, and conferences. 17. Online event planning. Quickly and easily communicate with attendees and answer questions, making event planning simpler and faster. 18. Online video tutoring. Teach students in a variety of subjects through video chat. 19. Data entry. Enter data into databases and spreadsheets. 20. Game testing. Test video games and provide feedback to game developers. These are some of the ways you can currently make money using ChatGPT. If you'd like us to make a more detailed video on how ChatGPT can help you with each of the things above, kindly let us know and we'd be happy to make one. If you found this video useful, only then do we insist that you subscribe and also like and share the video. Thanks and have a great day.